Hi guys, welcome to my channel English with CT. The topic for today's Ask cue card is describe a person who contributes to the society. The questions are who is this person, how you know them, what they do and how do you feel about them. And before I move ahead guys, I'd like to share a couple of things which can really help you in elevating your score. So today when I was taking my speaking test for a couple of students, I realized that what they're doing some basic mistakes in terms of pronunciation, which normally people don't notice. And these are words which are really basic, which you use every day. I'm not talking about difficult ones, I'm talking about the basic words today. For example, the word is comfortable. Now, although the spelling is Fortable, however, the sound is not FOR, the sound is fur. It's FUR, the sound. And it's not table, it's actually pronounced tibble. Now, the way we should be pronouncing it, it should be comfortable, not comfortable. There's another word which people pronounce wrongly is vegetable. The spelling is Vegetable. So we typically use it as a table only. However, that's completely wrong. The actual pronunciation is veg and table. So it's vegetable. It is not even veggie, it's vegetable. Another word which I came across, people say it differently, is tortoise. Now, I am pronouncing it wrong right now. It is not the correct pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is tortoise. So I feel that if we are taking care of these basic words when we speak, we can certainly elevate our score to a large extent, as these are some common words which normally come in the topic. You can also say, so for example, the word is schedule. So instead of saying schedule, why not try saying schedule? So although the spelling is same, there's a difference. There's one more word which I want to highlight, and people make this mistake quite often between a verb and a noun. There's a word called content and content. Now when I say content, it means the ingredients, and people say it content. Content means satisfaction. So the meaning completely changes. So I would request you guys to please take care of these words. I'll be coming up with more words so that you pronounce it rightly and you get a better score. Now quickly begin with the topic. So contribution. It actually means a lot. The word itself says bringing things together. It's basically a Latin word. And when I talk about this particular concept, the only person which comes to my mind is one of my close friends. His name is Jay. We have been knowing each other since grade 10th. And believe me, he's one of the best guys you can ever encounter with. He's so generous, down to earth, and very helpful. And he tries to be a part of the society in some way or the other. Every time he gets an opportunity to do something for the society, he does not shirk away. And let me give you a quick meaning. Shirk away means he does not shy away from the responsibilities. He takes the responsibilities willfully. And with him, he has this wonderful habit of going to old age homes, orphanages, NGOs, and he tries to do things in a very different manner. So sometimes he is giving gifts to NGOs, to children of age group 5 to 10 years, 10 to 15 years, and he takes different gifts. Sometimes he goes there to teach kids. Sometimes he is just donating books. Last time I remember when I went with him was on his birthday, and he donated a couple of blankets because it was winter season. His birthday comes in the month of November. So he distributed blankets. And I could see the joy on everyone's face when he was doing that. On top of it, the other day during this particular season, when we went on road to give blankets to people, I was realizing that, oh my god, what we were actually missing. Because that was something that we should have done way before. The way people were literally waiting for the blanket, it was very heart touching for me. As there were people who were not having anything, and I was really melted when I saw one small kid. He must be about 7, 8 years old. And in this cold winter, chilling winter, he was not having socks and he was not having slippers. Imagine, are we getting out of our blankets every day? No, we don't. Because we feel cold. Now, how can we not think of all these people? And this is one way we can contribute to the society as well. And when I look at him, I truly salute him for the work he is doing. At least, end of the day, he is doing something or the other to be a responsible person and to help people around. And this is what I believe we have been taught by our elders too, that we should be helping people around. And overall, I'd say I'm truly blessed to have a wonderful friend like him who teaches me a life lesson every day, almost every day, whenever we meet, that we should not be only in the receiving mode, we should also be in the giving mode more often. And that is what the true happiness lies in. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and have a wonderful day ahead. And do subscribe the channel if you're new to it. I'll be coming up with a new video tomorrow. Thank you.